What the hell's going on?
The U.S. Comedy Arts Festival tribute to
Monty Python!
What a lovely day.
Starring John Cleese.
Terry Gilliam!
Eric Idle.
Derek Jones!
Michael Pylan.
And Ron Chapman!
And hosted by Robert Klein. Ladies and gentlemen, your host, Robert Klein.
Which is supposed to be spent on all our available products. Coffee?
Yes, please.
Mrs. Two Lumps, would you bring us in 2 coffees, please?
Yes, Mr. Teabag.
Out of a mind. Now, the Japanese have a man who can bend his leg back over his head and back again with every single step, while the Israelis have here's the coffee. Thank you, lovely. You're really interested in city walks, aren't you?
Oh, rather.
Well, take a look at this then. I'm not going to mix words with you. I'm going to offer you a research fellowship on the Anglo-French City Walk.
La marche futile?
Bonjour. Maintenant, les élèves sont les birontes et les béjourières, comme d'habitude, au sujet de le marché commis. Maintenant, je vous présente, encore une fois, mon ami, le pauvre célèbre Jean-Brian Jadapatique.
Oh, merci, mon petit chouchou, Brian Trumshaw. Et maintenant, avec le pied de droite, avec le pied de gauche, et maintenant l'anglo-français marche futile. Et voilà!
And now a choice of viewing on BBC television.
With all the confidence and so many years later, about 25 or so, John, it wasn't, you weren't completely confident right off the bat, were you?
Well, I had a very strange experience on our stage tour. I'm sure they all remember it differently, but I remember we started off in Brighton, we worked our way to the Midlands, and we were doing a show in Bristol, and we were doing a matinee there, and for some extraordinary reason, the audience just didn't laugh. And after about...
Oh my God, disgusting beast. Oh, dear.
So after about 4 steps... of this Bristol matinee audience not laughing at something that people had been falling around at for 2 weeks, I realized that they were right and that it wasn't funny. And I'm being perfectly serious. If people aren't laughing, it isn't funny.
I think I would...
And then the next house came in the evening, and they started to laugh again in all the right places, and the show became funny again. But I mean, comedy's incredibly brittle, and if something goes wrong with the atmosphere, you're dead. I mean,
I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. I sleep all night, I work all day.
He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day.
I cut down trees, I skip and jump. I like to press wildflowers. I put on women's clothing and hang around.
Likes to press wildflowers. He puts on women's clothing and hangs around in bars. He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day.
I cut down trees, I wear high heels, suspenders and a bra. I wish I'd been a girlie, just like my dear mama. I cut down trees, wear high heels, suspenders and a bra. I wish I'd been a girlie, just like my dear mama.